Alright, we're back on the gem and mineral trail again. Okay, this is just east of Roswell, New Mexico, and you have the road cuttings right here.
Hello, Dan the Rockman here. Over a month ago, I visited one man where his garage was lined from floor to ceiling with shelves of large to mostly miniature small agates. I was so impressed by his collection of agates that I thought I needed to re-evaluate my thinking about the beauty of small stones and their worth. I've always been into great big, let's get the biggest stone that we possibly can. So I picked up about 50 or so small agates and proceeded to start my collection, and I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of the process of what I was doing and show you some of the stones up close as we get further to the end. Okay, but the major understanding of agates is that they were developed through a secondary stage in a hollow vessel known as cavity in most rocks throughout volcanic lava created by gases being caught. It is not always the case, just most of the time we find them in this form of environment. Agates are a banded form of finely grained microcrystalline quartz. Okay, you will never find two identical agates. Each is unique in its color patterns, as you'll see here in these rocks that I've got, these stones. Okay, these colors occur in wide variations of brown, white, gray, pink, black, green, blue, yellow. Okay, it is a translucent variety of microcrystalline quartz. There are different types of agates, but not limited to the following: eye agates, geo agates, plume agates, moss agates. Many times, agate is defined by the field or area that they are found, such as Mexican lace agates, Balmoral blue agates, Carver field agates, Lake Superior agates, just to name a few. The value of agate is in the eye of the beholder. There is an abundance of agates, and the value can be determined by the patterns or colors of the stone, or the labor and design as used by the artist creating the display or the piece of jewelry. Other times the value can be determined by the consumer's desire for a particular field that is deemed to be limited to the amount of the stone or access to acquire it. Okay, you know, I hope that you kind of look at this and reevaluate the agates that you have, and you know, even share. Tell me what color agate that you like best. What do you like in patterns of agates? And that, do you normally like the great big agate, or do you like a Geode type that has agate, that's agatized? And that, please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. And again, you know, leave a comment. Tell me about what kind of agate that you like in that, and enjoy watching the rest of this video. Again, thank you very much. Bye.